Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 4 of the weekly expert live classes. This series features more live classes at Wealthy Affiliate, lessons that give you more knowledge to help you succeed in your online business. For the week of January 24th to the 30th of 2022, there are 5 new live classes. The most interesting of these classes is the topic about relationship niche. The co-founder Carl is the expert trainer for this live class, and he will teach you how to succeed with a relationship business. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. In the first of this week's live classes lineup, we have expert trainer Jay discussing about keywords. Keywords are essential for the success of your business. It is used by people to search and find your website. Being found on search results can increase traffic to your website that can result in increase in sales and revenue. In this live class, Jay will teach you which keywords are relevant to your audience's search, and he will also break down the 3 types of keywords that you need to focus within your niche. To watch this live class, go to the video description below, click on the link there to join Wealthy Affiliate and gain this valuable knowledge. This is the final class in the Canvas series created by Vitaly. In this live class, students will learn how to use this tool to create stunning logos for their websites, as well as banners and even e-book covers. This is a very useful skill. You can learn it and use it for your own online business or even do online gigs to earn a nice side income. This live class and the following few are available to Premium Plus members only. And to watch this live class, go to the video description below and click on the link to join Wealthy Affiliate as a Premium Plus member so that you can watch this video. Content marketing is also essential for the success of your online business. You need to create content that people can find and digest. This creates brand awareness and interest in your business that you can eventually convert traffic to sales. In this live class, Eric shows you the kinds of content you can create for your particular niche. The relationship segment is an evergreen niche. People will always have relationships, and this creates a great opportunity for you as a business. In this live class, Carl will dissect this niche and show you some of the high-yielding research strategies that can produce powerful keywords, quality affiliate programs, and opportunity insights into this relationship space. In addition, he will narrow down this broad niche into something that is much more specific. Jay also does a Premium Plus live class, and he will show you how to build an arsenal of keywords for your website. This is critical for the growth of your online business. But which keywords to choose? Well, Jay will show you how. And sure, one way to go about it is to write reviews, but it can be the total opposite. In this live class, Jay walks you through how to plan and implement your 3 types of keywords effectively. Once again, Wealthy Affiliate is adding more powerful training that can help you succeed with your online business. To me, the most interesting live class this week is the one where by Carl, where he teaches about how to succeed with relationship business. So, as you can see, Wealthy Affiliate has more than just 2 core courses, and there are thousands of live classes with a wide range of topics such as Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, video marketing, email marketing, and plenty more. That is why I find Wealthy Affiliate so worth it. And so do many of my peers and even university professors. So go join at least as a premium member. Go to the video description below and click on the link there now. Do you have any questions about this week's Expert Live classes? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.